So it's Wednesday. That means we've got Thursday and Friday, and then it's Saturday, and then we all get our little treat. What is your treat? You all know what my treat is. It's either gonna be Nutella, which is amazing, or peanut butter, which is also high on the amazing list. My word for today is change. Those of you out there that have cut back on things, well done. Because Freddie has cut back on his Diet Coke this week, and if you are anything like him, it's been very tough and very hard, and there's been a lot of trips to wherever the Diet Coke lives to find it's not there for the sad face to appear, and it's been very difficult. He's on day 3, so get on the Facebook and throw him a bit of support and tell him that it does get easier, and it does get easier. I don't know those of you out there who cut out sugar in their tea and then all of a sudden you put one in your tea like a week later and it tastes so sweet. You can make these changes. You just need to start very small and make some big changes that work towards your goal. So let's change little things. Let's change how we look at our lifestyle. Let's change how we look at our food. But most of all, let's make a change to put BodyRock in your lifestyle as a lifestyle choice every day. Not a chore. You know, don't come home, sit on the sofa and then turn on the telly and watch some program that you don't really like, but it's on. Come home, put your trainers on, write down your circuit and let's get on it for 12 minutes, or do it in the day. If I do mine before work or in the morning, my whole day is better. I eat more food like veggies and salads, and I want to crave more water because I've set my day up positively, and that's what I want you to do. Think about things that you can change, that you can make little changes to improve everything and make this so much easier and see better results and push yourself harder. That's your word. That's it. That's from me to you. You can have that. That's it. I never give you anything. That's today. Okay, so we have got 6 exercises, 2 times through, and because it's resistance and core today, it's not so jumpy, but it's more weighted, and you're going to feel very fatigued very quickly on certain muscles. Core's going to be really worked, and we are going to push like we've never pushed before because Sean is straight after me. So try to do both of them. Those of you that are out there that are like, which one am I doing? Try to do both exercises. Try to do mine and then try to do Sean's. As many as you can. Push yourself, because we've only got 2 more days and then that's 2 weeks down, and then we've only got 2 more weeks. Woo! We are killing it. So well done everybody out there who's lost some weight and posted all about that and feels better. I'm loving the posts and I'm replying as quickly as I can possibly reply. Honestly, literally I'm like this. Like a workhorse. I come out of this room, they lock me in a little room and they're like this. Reply! No, I'm joking. So let's get on with it. We're ready, we're rearing. Let's get this done. Let's get this 12 minutes out of the way and then get on with the rest of our day, ready for tomorrow. Are you ready? Are you ready, Freddie?
Ready.
Do you want a Diet Coke?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do this. Okay, so my legs are dead. Hope your legs are dead. I'm sweating. Hope you're sweating. I hope it pushed you. Remember, Wednesdays are all about resistance, so it's not so much jumping around, but we're getting the heart rate up there and we're still pushing hard. I'm going to show you some variations for you beginners that have just joined us. Welcome! Make sure you get on the fit test first and get your scores down like everybody else has done, and then join us. And we will go over some non-weighted or equipment-based options for you guys that don't have it. Let's do it then. So first exercise was clean and press. So with a sandbag, if you don't have a sandbag, go on the website, get on the message boards. People have got loads of funky ideas that you can start with just to see if it's your thing, and then I would definitely think about purchasing one of these because we use them all the time and you won't waste any money like buying one. They're amazing, they're so good and so versatile, you can use them for everything. So what we're going to do is squat down, clean the bag, press it up, making sure our core is tight, abs are engaged, and we're switched on. When we squat down, make sure your knees don't come over your toes, nice strong core. If you don't have a sandbag, what I want you to do is do a squat jump. That's what I want you to do. If that's too hard for you, just squat, jump. That's what I want you to do. But if you've got some weight, pick it up, whatever it is, get it up there. Squat leaps are next. So feet under your hips, you're going to sit back, sit down, put your little fingertips on the floor, and then you're going to drive yourself up as high as you can. And that's what we're trying to get, that drive. So leap up in a straight line, okay? That's what we're trying to get. So drive. If you want it easier, just do straight squats, okay? That's yours. So third one, power push-ups. We were laughing about this. What I want you to do is find your floors. So there's 3 floors to this exercise. Get yourself in the press-up position, whichever one you want, so either on your knees if you need it modified, or if you want to come up like I did, on your toes. So you got the ground floor, middle floor, top floor. What would your floors be? And that's what we want you to do. We want to hold it at the bottom, hold it, come up, hold it, take it to the top, hold it. You can mix your press-ups up. If it gets too hard on your feet, just take it down into the moderation on your knees or go into your box press-up. But I want to know what your floors are.
What are your floors?
I think my bottom floor is going to be...
Let's see, come on.
Like, okay, so my bottom floor has got to be peanut butter and Nutella land. My middle floor is lingerie, of course girls, and the top floor is naked men floor, where everybody walks around in little pinnies. You know, yeah, and little pinnies just like really, yeah, but well anyway. You know what I'm saying, girls. That's a good floor. We're going there for coffee every day. That could be our cheat day. Where are you going? 3rd floor. Ah.
For coffee.
For coffee. Oh, it's so inappropriate. So that's that one, power push up. So all you're going to do is modify that on your legs, going down onto your knees or going into a box press up. All of these we've shown you all week, so feel free to go back over the videos and have a look. Reverse pull-ups using the dip station. So, as always, dip station, make sure it's nice and supported on the floor. Get yourself core nice and tight, feet on the floor, nice straight body line. Make sure your head isn't dropping back or going forward. Just a good straight body, nice soft elbows. Come up, take it back down. Come up, hold it for a second at the top, then take it back down. Hold it for a second at the top, then take it back down slowly. There's no point doing this. It's got to be controlled. Even if you only get 1 or 2, control the move. That's the only way you're going to make yourself stronger and you're going to get more defined, lean muscle tone. So don't just fly through them. Do as many as you can with brilliant form as opposed to doing hundreds with no form at all, because eventually good form is going to prevail and you're going to see so much more difference and so much more muscle tone and so much leaner and stronger because you're working at your full range, okay? Okay, so if you don't have a dip station, if you turn yourself upside down, we're essentially doing a press up. So you're going to be doing a press up. So what we're going to do this time though, to mix it up a little bit, is we're going to bring our hands a little bit closer together. So we're going to go down with our hands nice and tight to our elbows and then come up. So a variation is on your knees, go down, come up, and then a box press up, go down, and then come up. So we're using more of our triceps as well. So that's your exercise for them. Okay, so the other press ups were a bit wider, they are very narrow, and keep your arms nice and close to your body and come down. Okay, so squat and press is the next one. Brilliant. I love this exercise because you get all your glutes, core, everything, full body again. So all the way down, making sure that your knees don't go over your toes, core nice and tight, drive the bag up and press. So we're going to squat and press. If you can't press yet, that's fine, just hold it here and let's get some squats involved. That's absolutely fine. You can do that, lose the bag if you don't have any weight, and we're just going to squat and press, squat and press. If you want to turn your legs out, that'll work more the inner thigh. If you want to bring your legs in here, that'll work more quads and your gluteus maximus. So if you want to do that, that's fine. You can mix your legs up just to vary it. That's absolutely fine. And the last one, death legs, switch lunges. These were going to kill you. By the last round, you were like, oh, whoosh. So switch lunges, lunge position, 90-90. You're going to switch your position, and that's how it goes. So I use my arms because I find it easier to elevate. So elevate, there's no point stopping here and doing this, because that's not a lunge, that's just cheating. You have to dip down, so let's get our legs involved. If your legs are burning, you're not low enough. So make sure you, every time you go down, what I do, so I don't cheat, is go down and then I dip a little bit, and then you know that you're doing it right. So if you can't do that, you can either do back lunges like this, or if you prefer, some people just can't do back lunges, you can do front lunge. That's absolutely fine, you can do that as well. And that's it, 6 exercises, twice through. Give it all you got. It's Wednesday, why not? Just go for it. Let's all just keep going. And then after this, get on Sean's and just blast his out as well. We're just like, all day, let's do it. Keep going, keep pushing, keep writing to me, keep writing to Sean, keep getting on the website, keep giving us your feedback, anything you want to see, anything you want to change. And we'd love to hear from you every day, so keep doing that. And I will see you tomorrow for Thursday. Get your words ready, people. Keep motivated. Hold on. I'm sweating.